To fix the low resolution on HBO Max, you just need to watch this video to the very end to know about it. So let's get started. If your HBO Max is playing in low resolutions, then the first thing which you need to do is that you just need to open your internet speed and check if it is working smoothly or not. So if your internet speed is less than 5 Mbps, then it only supports HD quality. But your internet speed is more than 25 Mbps, then it supports the 4K quality on HBO Max. So you just need to run a speed test and see if it is above or below the 5 and 25 Mbps. The next thing which you can do is that you just need to simply restart the HBO Max app. If it is still not being, then you just need to simply close the HBO Max app and you just need to open the HBO Max app again and try to sign in again to your app and check if it is working on a high quality or not. So if it is working, then that's good. If it is still not working, then you just need to open settings on a device and open general. So on the general, you just need to click on the option of iPhone storage and scroll down until you find the option of HBO Max. So click on it and click on the option of offload app. So by offloading the app, it helps you to fix the box error either which you are getting on your app. So click on the option of reinstall app again to reinstall it again. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the low resolutions on your HBO Max app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.